Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue solving Test Yourself from chapter Circles. So let's start with question number 2. In the given circle with diameter AB, find the value of x. We are given the figure over here. AB is the diameter, chord AB is the diameter. We have to find out the value of x, that is angle BAD का value find out करना है. We are given the value of angle ACD. Measure of angle ACD is given. Angle ACD, it is 30 degree. ACD is subtended on the circumference by this arc AD, right? AD, chord AD bolo, arc AD bolo, it is subtending this angle on the circumference. Same chord or same arc is subtending another angle on the circumference. So ये जो segment है, it is subtending, this same segment is subtending one angle and another angle both on the circumference. So I can say both the angles will be equal, angles of same segment. Angle ACD and angle ABD, both the angles are angles subtended by the same segment. So angle ACD and angle ABD both will be equal. ACD is 30, so ABD भी 30 हो जाएगा. तो ABD 30. I need x का value, that is angle BAD. BAD, ABD, ये दोनों angles कौन से triangle को belong करता है? This triangle. So ABD. In this triangle, I need x का value, measure angle BAD. ABD I just found, it is 30. Do I know this angle ADB? Yes. ADB is the angle subtended on the circumference by the diameter AB. Diameter always subtends a right angle on the circumference. So angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference will be a right angle, 90 degree होगा. ये 30 है, ये 90 है, थर्ड एंगल मैं इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकती हूँ. 30 प्लस 90 120, 180 माइनस 120 विल गिव मी 60, राइट? कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे? सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल विच इज 180 डिग्री. सो x प्लस 30 प्लस 90 विल बी इक्वल टू 180, करेक्ट? X will be 180 minus 120, that is 60. Okay, so very easy. Let us solve now with proper steps. Starting with the solution, first we'll write down the given information. So we know AB is the diameter of the circle. Give reason, given है, ठीक है? Since it is the diameter, angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference will be 90 degree. This is going to be 90 degree, right angle, okay? So therefore, angle ADB will be 90. You can write down angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is right angle, or in other words, angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. How? Diameter is going to divide this circle into two equal parts. दो equal parts में divide करेगा circle को, right? And यही diameter, ये semicircle. These two are semicircles, right? सो ये सेमी सर्कल में जो जहाँ पे भी एंगल फॉर्म करेगा, ये एंगल सबटेंड करेगा, इट विल ऑलवेज बी अ राइट एंगल. So angle in a semicircle is always a right angle. Okay, so give this reason. Angle ADB मिल गया. Now I need angle ABD. So ACD and ABD both are equal. We'll show that. Angle ACD is equal to angle ABD. How? Angles of the same segment. So ACD का वैल्यू पता है. Angle ACD is 30 degree from figure. Given में तो दिया नहीं है, right? So write down from the figure. So angle ABD will also be 30. ABD पता है, ADB पता है, दो एंगल्स मिल गया ये ट्रायंगल का. So थर्ड एंगल में easily find out कर सकती हूँ using SOMAT property. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degree. So let's use the property and find out x. So in triangle ABD, we have angle ABD 30 degree, angle ADB 90 degree. These two are proven. Okay. We need x, that is angle BAD. Angle BAD plus angle ABD plus angle ADB is 180 degree. Write down the reason over here. Sum of all angles of triangles is 180 degree. You have to give reason wherever you are using the property. यहाँ पे भी property use किया, reason देना है. यहाँ पे भी property use किया, reason देना है. Okay. BAD is nothing but x, right? So you can put x over here, it's okay. ABD is 30, ADB 90. So BAD will be 180, 90 plus 30, 120. Shift किया, negative हो जाएगा. So BAD will be 180 minus 120, that is 60. That is x is 60. Okay. So all right, don't forget to box or underline the answer. Next question, question number 3. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Show that BC is equal to the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC whose center is O. So ABC is a triangle, as we can see. Angle BAC दिया है, it is 30 degree. We need to show that BC, this chord BC, is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. Now this circle over here is circumcircle. Students, basic concepts है, ठीक है? Circumcircle, incircle, all these things you're supposed to know. In case you don't know, I'm going to explain it once. ठीक है? So we need to show that BC का जो length है, okay, chord BC का length is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. That is, ये जो circle है, इसके radius से equal है, ये बताना है. Okay, BC is equal to the radius of the triangle ABC. Okay, so this circumcircle of triangle ABC, triangle ABC से ये circle pass हो रहा है, ठीक है? Whose center is O. So center of the circle is O. Now let us understand circumcircle and incircle. Okay, I'm explaining incircle as well in case you don't know. So a circle which passes through the vertices of the triangle. Triangle में 3 vertices रहता है. So ये vertices के थ्रू अगर सर्कल पास हो रहा है, और इन अदर वर्ड्स द वर्टिसेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल आर लाइंग ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल, these vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle, then this circle is circumcircle. And if the circle is lying inside the triangle, I've drawn it very badly, just try to understand the concept. If the circle is lying inside the triangle such that The circle is touching the three sides of the triangle, okay, at three different points. Then this circle is encircled. Alright, तो यहाँ पे जो दिया है, it is a circumcircle since it is touching the three vertices of the triangle. ठीक है. Now we need to show that BC का जो लेंथ है it is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. अब radius क्या होगा ये circle का? The line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circumference. So center and any point on circumference को मैं join करूँ तो मुझे radius of the circle मिलेगा. अब यहाँ पे तीन पॉइंट्स तो ऑलरेडी दिए ही है which are lying on the circumference of the circle. So what we'll do is we'll join center with C and center with B. Why? You'll get to know. तो OBOC join किया and OCOB क्या होगा? Radius of the circle होगा. ये radius है, ये radius है. I need to show BC is equal to OC or OB. That is what I need to show, right? अब ध्यान से देखो, OB, OC, BC. These are the sides of this triangle. OBC. Right? ये रेडियस है, ये रेडियस है, and BC is equal to these two. ये मुझे प्रूव करना है. Basically, I need to prove BC equal to OB equal to OC. That is, all the three sides of the triangle are equal. ये मुझे बताना है. That is, it is an equilateral triangle. ये मुझे प्रूव करना है. Right? I just need to show that this is an equilateral triangle. Once I prove that this is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides will be equal. Correct? So I can show that BC is equal to the radius. So for that, how will I show that this is an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle का all angles are equal. That is, each angle is 60 degree. Right? So I am given angle BAC. BAC is 30 degree. BOC क्या हो जाएगा? BOC will be twice angle BAC. This chord is subtending BAC on the circumference and this same chord is subtending BOC at the center. Angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. So it will be twice 30. BAC is 30. So it will be 60. BOC 60 मिल गया. ये 60 मिल गया. अब easy है because I know OB, OC both are radii. Okay, दोनों radius है. So this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle है तो these two are equal sides. Equal sides का opposite angles will also be equal. That is, this angle and this angle will be equal. Angle OBC, angle OCB. So I know angle O, angle B, angle C. Okay. This angle, this angle, this angle. तीन angles का sum is 180. Right? Property of the triangle. Angle O is 60. And I know angle B and angle C are equal. Correct? So I can say twice angle B. Angle B plus angle B. Correct? So twice angle B is 120. So angle B is 60. ये 60 है तो ये भी 60 हो गया. ये 60 है, ये भी 60 हो गया. So therefore this is an equiangular triangle. Therefore it is an equilateral triangle. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Therefore BC is equal to OB is equal to OC. That is, BC is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. Okay. So let us solve now with proper steps. Students, I would suggest that you write down given, to, prove and construction over here. Okay, it is little complicated. So given is, we are given there is a triangle ABC. So write down in triangle ABC, We know the angle. Angle BAC is 30 degree. What else is given? O is the center of this circumcircle. So write down O is the center of the circumcircle. To prove, we need to prove that BC is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. So we need to prove BC is equal to the radius. Okay. Now construction. Join OB and OC. Starting with the proof. We are given angle BAC. We'll relate BAC with BOC. Okay. So angle BOC, angle subtended at the center, is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. पूरा reason लिखना है. Angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. Okay. Now angle BAC मुझे पता है. It is 30 degree. Therefore angle BOC will be 2 times 30, that is 60. Okay. Mark this as 1. Angle BOC मिल गया है. Now I know OB, OC are radii of the circumcircle. So write down OB equal to OC is equal to R. Both radii of same circle. Now we'll consider this triangle OBC. Okay, so in triangle OBC we have angle BOC. Okay, and OB equal to OC equal to R. So OBOC equal है, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. So therefore triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle since two sides are equal in length. Therefore angles opposite to the equal sides will be equal, that is these base angles will be equal. OCB and OBC will be equal. We are talking only about this triangle. ठीक है, ये triangle का बात कर रहे हैं. So therefore angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, right? No short forms, no symbols, पूरा लिखना है students. ठीक है, so ये दोनों equal है. Now I know sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So we know angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB is 180. Which property? Sum of angles of triangles is 180 degree. Okay. Reason मत भूलना students. POC is 60. Right? We marked it as 1. So यहाँ पे value put कर रहे हैं तो write down from 1. यहाँ पे reason लिखेंगे from 1. Or proven. Okay. OBC and OCB दोनों equal है. So either OBC की जगह पे OCB put करो या OCB की जगह पे OBC put करो. In short दोनों angles same करना है. ठीक है. So I'll keep OBC as it is and OCB की जगह पे I can put OBC because both are equal. So plus again OBC is 180 degree. So twice angle OBC is equal to, ये reason इसके लिए है, twice angle OBC is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. That is angle OBC is equal to 60. So OBC, OCB दोनों ही 60 है. Therefore all the three angles are equal. Therefore triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle. नो सिंबल्स, पूरा वर्ड लिखना है ट्रायंगल, ठीक है. आई डोंट हैव इनफ स्पेस, सो मैंने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख दिया है. इट इज एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, देयरफॉर ऑल द थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो देयरफॉर OB is equal to OC is equal to BC. OB and OC क्या है? They are the radius, that is the radii of this circumcircle. So hence radius is equal to BC, that is BC is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. So इसके बाद okay, just add a statement, therefore BC is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. Okay, and after that just write down hence root on next line. Alright, so don't forget the statements. इसको underline या box कर दो and इसके बाद लिख दो BC is equal to the radius of the circumcircle. Next line पे hence root. Okay.